Have you ever stared into the night sky and thought, what lies beyond those twinkling stars? Out there, hidden among galaxies, lurks something so extreme, so mind-bending, that even light itself can't escape its grasp. I'm talking about black holes, nature's strangest creation. But here's the real puzzle. What happens if you actually fall into one? Do you get torn apart? Do you vanish into nothingness? Or could a black hole actually lead you somewhere else entirely? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you might see black holes not just as cosmic monsters, but as windows into the deepest mysteries of the universe. The birth of the black hole. So what exactly is a black hole? It all starts with a massive star running out of fuel. When that happens, gravity wins the ultimate tug of war. The star's core collapses, crushing matter tighter and tighter until it forms something so dense that escape becomes impossible. Imagine squeezing the sun, yes, our sun, down to the size of a city. That's the kind of gravity we're talking about. So powerful that it bends space and time like a trampoline under a bowling ball. And then there's the event horizon, the invisible boundary of no return. Once you cross it, the universe has only one rule. There's no coming back. Crossing the point of no return. Okay, now picture this, you're an astronaut floating too close. First, you'd feel the weirdest and most terrifying effect, spaghettification. The black hole pulls harder on your feet than on your head, stretching you out into a long noodle of atoms. Not exactly the way you want to be remembered. But here's the mind-bending part. From your perspective, you'd plunge right through the horizon. From an outside observer's view, though, you'd appear to slow down, freeze, and fade away at the edge, never quite crossing over. That's relativity in action. Time itself slows near a black hole. For you, seconds pass. Outside, millions, maybe billions of years race by. In a sense, you've just time-traveled into the future. The Singularity Paradox. But what lies at the heart of the black hole? At the very center, theory says there's the singularity, a point where all the matter is crushed into something infinitely small and dense. The problem? Physics as we know it completely breaks down there. Einstein's relativity says yes, singularity exists. Quantum mechanics throws up its hands and says, nope, the math doesn't work. So maybe the singularity isn't what we think. Perhaps matter doesn't collapse into nothingness, but instead transforms into something else, something outside our imagination. The wildest theories. This is where black holes sound less like science and more like science fiction. Wormholes. Some physicists suggest black holes could connect distant points in the universe, acting like secret tunnels through space and time. Parallel universes. Others believe a black hole might not destroy matter, but eject it into an entirely new universe. That means every black hole could be the doorway to another reality. The information paradox. Stephen Hawking proposed that black holes don't erase information. Instead, they leak it back out slowly as radiation. If that's true, then black holes might actually store the history of everything they've swallowed. Cosmic hard drives instead of cosmic shredders. Why this matters? So why should we care about these cosmic giants? Because black holes aren't just about destruction. They could hold the blueprint of reality itself. If we can understand them, we might unlock answers about the birth of the universe, the true nature of time, and even the possibility of other worlds. In other words, black holes aren't the universe's trash bins. They're more like locked vaults, and we're just beginning to figure out the code. So here's the big question. Are black holes deadly traps waiting to swallow everything? Or are they gateways to secrets far beyond human imagination? Drop your theories in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. And if you enjoyed this cosmic dive, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because there are plenty more mysteries of the universe waiting for us to explore.